And when it comes to visual effect and simulation, procedural modeling, game development, technical art and pipeline tools alongside motion graphics and design, no tool does it better with tons of flexibility alongside full procedural control and reusability like Houdini, as Houdini is known across the industry as the go-to tool when it has to do with large-scale complexities. Developed by the folks at SideFX, Houdini is best known for its nodal-based procedural workflow that simply allows artists and technical directors to build complex systems that are flexible, scalable, and reusable. Unlike various traditional DCC tools that simply rely on modifiers, manual labor, or layer-based editing, Houdini emphasizes on proceduralism, as this is the core of the tool itself. So instead of creating for a single result, you can simply build a whole nodal network with rules that can help you generate infinite variations. And this approach has made Houdini exceptionally powerful for production environments where iteration and art direction changes for both large-scale and small-scale simulations are the norms. And one thing that a lot of people get to battle with when it comes to dealing with Houdini is actually learning Houdini. And today we have a very interesting update from the folks at SideFX, as they've put together the Houdini Learning Portal. And prior to this update, the folks at SideFX, they did offer a learning hub where you can learn stuff, but it's not as detailed as what you currently have. Of course, you do have your tutorials, my learning, and learning paths, which is also pretty similar to what we have with this one. Now, if you go over to the tutorial section, things are not as, categorized or even structured the way they look right now, and that is why this current update makes it even better. And of course, for those who like to try this, you can simply go over to the link in the description that'll bring you right here, where you'll be able to start learning Houdini totally for free. And unlike various learning platforms that will require you to log in and start learning, you can just simply select any of the courses that you like to learn and start learning. So for example, if we simply go all the way down, possibly would like to learn more about the dust interaction, which is a full beginner pyro course. If we simply click on that, you can now see that right here. And of course, we can press the playback button to start learning the course. Something else which you'd also notice is these courses have been categorized from beginner to intermediate. And most of these courses are simply aggregated from some courses that's been put together both by professionals and from the folks at SideFX. So depending on what you would like to learn, you can come through and check them out right here. So maybe you like to learn things about destruction, pyro effects, fluid, possibly the whole VFX thing. This is what you want to learn. You can click on that. If you're thinking about world building, you have a lot of world building courses here. So you can select any of the ones that you want. You can go from page 1 all the way to page 4. If you're into looks and development, of course, you can see all of these are here. And, the folks at CG Forge, they do have amazing courses. And it's quite interesting to see them being featured here. You can also check out the character section. If you're into animation, possibly you're thinking about doing riggings and animation inside of Houdini, we've got some nice stuff for character effects. So whether you're thinking about doing crowd simulation, maybe cloth simulation, muscle, feather, hair and fur, all of these are right here. This goes all the way down to modeling, procedural modeling. At the same time, we've got the game dev section. And I think this is also one of the places that actually highlights certain things that you need to know. If you're thinking about exporting both sprites, creating simulations that you can use in Unreal Engine or Unity, you get to find them here. We've got the pipeline and AI, which deals with AI, ML, PDGs, Vex, and all that stuff. So all of these are here. If you also go over to the collections, this is where you can create your own playlist and the kind of stuff that you like to work with. We've also got some content right here, which you can also check out just in case, you would like to get some of this content. And we've got the talks and webinar. Right here is where you can filter through stuff. So for example, if you like to filter through various things, of course you can. So you can filter through beginner. Maybe you like to see some master classes. You can filter through all of that. If you're thinking about building motion graphic style stuff, of course you can click on motion graphics and only motion graphic style stuff will be here. And depending on the version of Houdini you're working with, you can select those versions. So it's going to be easier for you to follow through with the courses as well. And within the filter, you can filter if you like to just see free tutorials or if you like to see paid content. And speaking about the type of content that is available, the learning part actually has a bit more categorized learning structured part for anyone thinking about learning Houdini. So you can go from getting started to modeling, look dev, VFX, character, CFX, game dev, world building, pipelines, and AI. And to any of them that you like to just start learning, you can click and you can select any of the subcategories. So in this case, if you'd like to learn more about texturing, we can click on that and you can see every single thing that has to do with texturing. Down here, you'd also see some project-based learning, which is pretty interesting. We're going to talk about this one in a bit. Then we've got talks and webinar that is in relation to look dev. Now, for those who are doing project-based stuff, if you simply select any of these, you can follow through with the learning materials and you can download the project files, which is also really good. So just in case you're thinking about getting started with Houdini, this learning portal now makes it extremely easy and accessible for you to start learning Houdini totally for free. And the cool thing is you can get Houdini for free as well. So you can simply go over to try/buy, where you'll be able to download Houdini and you get the full version of Houdini, which you can use to do literally anything that you want. The only thing with this is you do have some apprentice license holdback, which possibly deals with rendering, being able to export certain kinds of digital assets, but outside that, you do have full access to the full Houdini tool and you can start learning Houdini totally for free. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and until I see you guys in the next one, peace.